welcome back. This is Anupama and I hope you're all doing good. I haven't been posted any videos for the past 1 month due to some health issues, and later I had some family gatherings. So please excuse me for that. So without any further ado, let's get started and let's see how to make this beautiful nameplate. So for this I had taken this Mdf board of size 14 by 4 inches and this is from Itsy. The link will be given in the description box. And this coconut tree is from one of the Instagram page. I'll be dropping down the link, so please have a look. So now I'll be cutting down the leaves of one side. So you can easily cut these leaves using a sharp knife or a pen knife like this. Now apply glue on the back side of the coconut tree and then stick it over the board on one side. And now again coming to this window, this is also from Itsy. I'll be dropping down all the links so that you can have a look. Again apply some glue and then stick it next to the coconut tree. As I don't want to waste these leaves, I'll be sticking them on the top corner of the board. So once you're done with the sticking part, allow them to dry completely. And then as a base coat, I am applying this white acrylic paint. And now coming to the coloring part, for the coconut tree I am applying this olive green color. And now for the window I am applying this blue color. The coloring part completely depends upon your choice. You can choose any colors of your choice. And if you guys are new to my channel and if you are watching this for the first time, I do a lot of DIYs on home decor. So please do consider subscribing if you like my videos. And next to this window, we'll be writing the names here. So for that I have taken the printout of the names on the paper, and now we need to trace the names on the board. For this there are two methods. I'll be showing you one easy method to trace the design without carbon paper. Just turn the paper back side and draw the outline of the names using a dark HB pencil. Just draw the outlines. You can even use carbon paper to trace the names, but I don't suggest you to use it as there are chances of staining. The carbon paper causes stains on the whiteboard, so to avoid this, I'm suggesting you to use this method. This is very easy. Just complete the outline part. So once you're done with the outlining part, turn the paper and now carefully place it over the board. Now fix this paper to the board so that the paper doesn't move, and now carefully press the names using your fingers. Now carefully remove the masking tape and then the paper, and now you can see the names got traced. And if you can see any missing parts, just draw them using pencil. And now start coloring the names. So for this I am using this brown color. You can choose any colors of your choice. So to paint these names I am using 000 brush And if you guys find it difficulty in painting these names using brush, you can even use acrylic pens or markers. But if you are using brush, just be careful while writing the names. And now for the stem, I am using this green color. And for the lotus, I am using pink. So now to cover the top part of the board, I am using this leftover decoupage paper. So I'll be cutting down these flowers and then I'll be sticking them over the top. So now apply some white glue or decoupage glue on the back side of the paper and then carefully stick it over the top. And then on top of the cutouts, apply a coat of decoupage glue to seal the cutouts. So as these are decoupage cutouts, we need to cover the edges. So for that I'll be drawing leaves to cover the edges. So I'll be covering the edges of the design by drawing leaves so that they get merged with the pattern. And now to cover the down part, I am using this waste grass mat. This is leftover grass mat which I had used for my balcony makeover. So I'll be sticking this on the board using hot glue. And then finally apply good varnish to seal your project. We are done with our nameplate. Now just hang it to the wall and see how does it look. This is looking beautiful, right? So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video and do follow me on my Instagram ID at saiscraftstudio. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.